G'day, Matt from Caribee. Today we're going to look at the Adventure 70 hybrid wheel travel bag. It's coming into stock in two colorways. We've got the full black colorway and also a lovely olive green colorway. Let's take a closer look. This is a 70 litre bag and it's a hybrid bag because you've got a concealable harness on the back, making it a great option for traveling. On the outside we use a recycled material, so it's great for the environment. This material is actually made from recycled plastic bottles. When you look at the overall shape and size, as I said, it's 70 litres. It only weighs 3.4 kilos, so very lightweight. On the front here, you've got two external pockets, a great front pocket here that extends down into the front section of the bag, and also a base shoe pocket. So it's great, even if you're not using it for shoes, you can use it for dirty laundry and keep your gear separate from the main compartment gear. I'll show you a bit more of that in a minute. But on the outside, you've got these great carry handles, fully padded. These ones here on the front, great when you're on the carousel, getting your bag off the carousel. You can really lift it off there, get it away and get moving. The one on the top, obviously, and you've got a aluminium push button trolley system here that can conceal when you check in the bag. When we turn around the side, you've got the access into the main compartment, which opens just like a suitcase. And around the back, you've got the concealable harness. Down the bottom, you've got some great all-terrain wheels, a bit of protection on the base there and a foot bar, but these wheels are very heavy duty and make sure you can get over any terrain quite easy. If we take a look at the harness system, so most of the time you'll wheel this bag around, but if you come to a rocky area or steps or will need to put the bag up on your back just to free your hands, you simply open the harness system, open the side. What's good about this, it neatly conceals into the side of the harness system. So I just pop that in here, gets that away from the rest of the bag. Then you've got a full hip belt down the bottom here and also padded shoulder straps. So providing great comfort and a really nice padded back system there. So that would give you plenty of support while you're carrying the bag. As I said, only 3.4 kilos, so very lightweight. A lot of the bags on the market don't have the hip belt like this set up here, or they've got a fold down harness, which is really inferior when it comes to wearing the bag on your back. Let's take a look inside and I'll show you what we've got. Okay, taking a look at the bag again here, as I said, 70 litres, 3.4 kilos. We talked about the two pockets on the front here. I'll just show you inside. Before I do that, actually, I'll point out the bag has lockable zips all over it, so you can secure the front pockets and the main compartment to lock closed for added security when you travel. At the top here, as I said, the front has two compartments. Great option for separating your belongings and keeping them organised. In the front here, you've got a lovely size front pocket here. There's a sleeve pocket there, there's a Velcro for attaching extras, and you can actually get right down into the front of the bag down here, so it actually can store a lot. So again, laundry, wet gear, toiletries, anything you want to separate from the main compartment of the bag as you travel around. It changes all the time as you travel, but it gives you that other compartment you can use. Again, on the front here, all padded too, so it gives the bag a lot of protection, which is lovely. This recycled material is absolutely beautiful. On the back here, you've got a shoe pocket. So if you have a look inside there, very deep, it extends into the main compartment. If you're not using it, obviously you can reduce it and pull it up and the main compartment goes all the way down. But that's a shoe pocket, also great to use as a laundry pocket too when you travel around and you've got some bits and pieces. So closing there, let's have a look inside. The bag opens up like a suitcase for easy packing. So just to open it up here, looking on the inside here, you can see the shoe pocket there, so that does extend into the main compartment, but if you're not using it, obviously it will condense down so it won't take up any room. Zippered storage, mesh storage pocket on the top here. Again, great for accessories, bits and pieces. And then a lovely 70 litre main compartment here. So it does have a compression strap to hold your gear in place. But this bag will become very popular in the Caribee range, and it'll be a great bag to travel to Europe with, or USA, or around Asia. So check it out online now.